all our efforts today help improve and keep taking our customers' reliability to the next level. This switch can rapidly detect damage on the line, reroute power to reduce our customers' outage durations down from what historically would be hours down to less than seconds.
Our goal is to have one smart switch for every 400 customers in our service territory across the state. This means about 3,000 smart switches will be installed on our grid. During the July 10th and August 12th storms this summer, DA devices prevented over 20,500 customer outages in Missouri. On average, they reduced the total outage count by 13%.
You know, we are improving resiliency of the system, and that's the ability to deal with major storms and all the headaches that those cause for our customers.
Whether you're at home or at work or anywhere, you have to have a good, reliable source of energy that you can depend on. And I'm glad that, Ameren is doing what they said they would do.
These events are so important to get them out and help educate legislators on delivering on the promise, the things we are doing to implement these smart energy plan projects. And when you break those down to see what great progress we've made through the first 2.5 years, it's been tremendous. But when we look ahead, there's still so much left to be done.
This program currently expires at the end of 2023. It's vital that we find a way to extend beyond this time frame to continue these beneficial investments for our customers and communities.